Hi, Ken Boyer from Garage Gurus. Today I want to talk about identifying a long stroke brake chamber versus a standard stroke brake chamber. So first off, I want to show you that I have both of these chambers caged because that's the safest way to handle these chambers. I'm going to swing this one around. This is a standard stroke chamber, and you can tell it's standard because the air inlet boss is round. For the long stroke brake chamber, there's three ways to identify. And the first way I'm going to show you is the fact that it has a square boss for the air intake. The second way, it's got a trapezoidal tag, which may or may not be still on the chamber, but it also mentioned stroke, the long stroke, and it's fastened here to the clamp. And then the third way to identify is that on the housing, it's actually cast into the housing that it's long stroke. So those are the three ways to identify a long stroke brake chamber. Now I do have a steer axle brake chamber here, and for this one here, it does have the trapezoidal tag. Like I said, may or may not be there. It's on there. You can also see that it shows a 20L here. The L stands for long, so this is a long stroke steer axle brake chamber. So that's how you identify a long stroke chamber versus a standard stroke. So if you mix the two, if you have a standard stroke on one side of an axle and a long stroke on the other, you're going to have brake pull issues, you can have mechanical imbalance. Plus, I don't believe the DOT is going to let you go very far because it's not legal to run both a long stroke and a standard stroke on the same axle. So that's how you identify a long stroke brake chamber. If you enjoyed the content of this video, like and subscribe. For more information about Garage Gurus, go to garagegurus.tech. I'm Ken Boyer. Thanks for watching.